Sitting over here, respected sir and all my dear friends. Today we are talking about the third law of motion, which is the third law of motion, which is also known as the law of acceleration. It was first discovered by a scientist, Sir Isaac Newton, who was the mathematical principle of natural philosophy. Originally, it was published in 18th century. He is also known as the father of motion. And in India, it was discovered by Rishi Kannada in 663 BC. In India, the law of motion is known as Vaisheshika Sutra. Now, the introduction about the third law of motion. In first law of motion, we studied about that a object cannot move until and unless the external force is applied on it. And in second law of motion, we studied that a second law of motion x equal to the mass and acceleration. And then we have something about third law of motion. The magnitude of the shape and the direction of the force on the first object is opposite to the direction and the magnitude of the second object. It is also can be shown in the mathematical representation like x is a body and y is the another body. X and y, x is pushing the y, then the y also have the same acceleration magnitude as x have. Now I will hand over to class to the direction.
So, good morning everyone. I'm Yuri Kilis. So, in this rainy and this season, I want to explain this third law of the nature. It's also known as direction and direction, as you all know. We have studied in classroom. So, the third law, what is this say? The third law says that whenever you do an action, whenever you apply action or force upon anything or any person and on an object, it will apply an opposite force also. Like example, like I will be my friend and I will give a slap to you. You will also give me a slap. An example. So my action was slap, so he also give me an opposite slap and reaction. So every object has an opposite reaction, and the reactions are like it can be in any object. In daily life also you can use this things in every daily life you can use the first law of third law of motion. Like whenever you swing, we put in hands water and it goes back. With the help of the action in water, that helps us to go forward. And walking also we use this. In mathematical way, it's also like x plus y is equal to this like. But I would say generally it will not be like mathematical. Nobody follows that much in mathematics. Nobody likes to study maths also. So I would say like mathematical way you will do more than that. You should see a practical way like like a step my friends who use step. So like anything like I'm punching wall also. The wall will also exert pressure on me. How much I will the force I am exerting. That force he will give me opposite way. So it's all I have to say this. So now I like to call Asim for this example.
First of all, good afternoon everyone. So I'm here for the example as Sika says. So we know a third law is applied on every step of our lives. So I'll show you one. When we were in the fire game, we go to the required to start this third law, and for the when we use the action force and the relationship with the reaction force and the reaction force. And when we box the work set, which the box set, then the action value forward is the reaction force. And when the both are when we form a bone, when we go to the floor, then the bone came back. There is the reaction force. When you go out, the action, then the bone is back. This is the reaction force. And when the rocket goes up, the air particles goes down. So when the rocket goes up, there's the action force. When the rocket goes back, the air there's the reaction force. And when a swimmer is like diver, who's back, when it goes up, there's the force applied to back, and so back there's the reaction force. Thank you.
Every action is a reaction. So in a slippery road, why is it difficult to walk? Slippery is like
where we apply water or in the distance between the ground and then
What is it?
This is a GP closer. The making process is like the friction of the slide.
Then what happens if you come to you told me every action after the direction. So why we can walk in slippery?
There is a closer. There's a smooth closer. No graph surface, smooth surface.
So what do we deal with graph and smooth? Otherwise, everything like whether it is space or art, everywhere.
Sir, like it's super for any liquid and anything is put in this thing. So like whenever we put an action in our food or anything, so it will the water again as we pour in it reduces the frictional force that is on the ground, and that's why our action has been more by the reaction that is put in by the friction.
Because we cannot mark properly because we cannot exert proper force, right? Because our leg gets slipped, right? So if you cannot mark properly, how if you give fast force here, if you cannot give the force properly, how I can mark? How I can get a direction force in this case? Very nice answer.
Sir, Isaac Newton has written it in a book, that Laws of Motion. So in which book did he wrote this?
Very good. In which book he wrote that right?
कौन सा बुक में लिखे?
Sorry, sorry.
sorry, we don't know the answer.
It was written in Philosophia, lesson and this,
Philosophia,
lesson and this,
naturalist,
lesson and this.
naturalist, or nationalist,
N-A-T-U-R-L-I-S.
naturalist, philosopher, naturalist. Wow. Philosophia, naturalist, mathematics.
No, sir. Principia Mathematica. It is also commonly known as Principia.
Nice. Very good. Anything else? Question? 1.2. Any more questions? You go and what do you have now actually? Post.
Chemistry.
Can you give some like what will happen if there is no third law implication in life? Will your life be easy? So, think it's a hypothetical situation in life. Right? What may happen if there is no third law?
Sir, if there is no third law, so like every reaction, we have been putting like if I don't know, I beat my friend, so he will not beat me. So he will have a burden there that I have beaten. So like this, every where there is a reaction. So like we have been coming from a board, so it has been shaking. That's why. So because of shaking, we have been producing force. That's why that ball has been shaking. We have been doing that. We have been
What will happen if there is no third law?
If man dies, then he automatically falls on the floor.
There's so many examples. We can't walk. There's not hard law. We can't walk. Right? No vehicle will move. There is no any rocket launch. Bird cannot fly in the sky. So many things are there. We cannot ride also. So, understood? Yes. One more question. Suppose you are jumping into case. First case, there's a sand, heap of sand. You're jumping on the heap of sand. And next case, you're jumping on a floor, concrete floor. Obviously, you get more hard or pain in the concrete floor. Why? Because third law is applicable, acceleration. Why we do not get pain in jumping in a heap of sand? For example, you can understand like this also. If I punch a wall, you get more pain. If you punch the same force to a pillow, okay, you get less pain. Why?
Sir, because in the figure the particles are not tightly packed, sir.
So what happens?
So when we punch the pillow, the particles move from this.
Correct.
And it's solid, sir. The particles are very tightly packed, and when we punch there is no space for the particles to move.
One more question. When you throw a stone in a glass into bread, and when you shoot with a gun, you make a ball.
And in school, certain mass is more. But if the mass is more, the size of the stone is also big.
Very nice.